way to Greensboro for a parade. EJ's job is in the parade. That's why we're in this van. We do not have a van. We do not have a van. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hitting the road. Y'all never realize all the things that I need to be a mom with a little baby while breastfeeding. I have a portable pump, I have bottles, I have storage containers, diaper bag, diapers, car seat, coat, hat, gloves, all the things. The baby, the kid. It's just a lot of things. But here we are. See y'all in the borough. Machine is warming up. That's the real show right there. But here we are. Now Ellie just sitting back here, exploring, touching on everything.
I can't understand anything that you're saying.
Ellie's sitting back here exploring, touching on everything. Harper's complaining because it's hot.
Please take this off.
So, EJ asked if we wanted to walk in the parade, but I didn't know how cold it was going to be. And Ellie does have a little congestedness. Don't you, Hurl? Don't you, girl? So, yeah, I didn't want the cold air to exacerbate that. But I do have stuff to wrap her up in.
A blanket.
But if we don't have to be outside, then we don't have to be outside. I just ate 2 pieces of parade candy. So after this, we're going to a photo shoot. Then we're going ice skating. So yeah. Fun-filled Saturday.
Okay, if they do, good. If they don't, you know, we'll figure it out next time. Good seeing you, Keith.
EJ, change the song.
Huh?
The song, the music done changed to something else.
They can't hear this music.
Oh.
They're not giving out no candy either. I'm trying to see people I know.
So many people.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Seriously, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! I heard somebody say, hi, Pat.
My hand is going to hurt after this is all over. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Hello, good people. We are still in Greensboro. We had a photo shoot. I did the makeup. EJ took the pictures. But now we're at the ice rink here in Greensboro, which EJ's job sponsors. Harper's gonna be skating. I think she's gonna be skating by herself. I might have to get out there with her because EJ's not going.
It's too small, so these are 13.
Oh God. 15 and 1.
Guys, I want ice skating, but the skates are too small.
Ultra Wonderlights, presented by Cone Health, is back at the Greensboro Science Center this
That's okay?
holiday season. A brand new year means
That's all the way in?
experiences, like an animated light tunnel and
Harper, that's the wrong way.